What's up, YouTube? Just gonna let everybody know. I know I posted a video probably a couple weeks ago about me getting a new truck, and kind of a quick transformation of what I've done to it over a period of 2 or 3 days, something like that. But I think the week after that, where I park my vehicle at work is like right next to kind of a pretty busy highway, or a pretty busy road that runs kind of straight through town. And a drunk driver actually ended up running into the back of my truck, and in the process destroying 2 other vehicles that were parked right beside my truck. So now I'm having to go through insurance crap and all that fun stuff. But let me show it to you, and let me show you the damages that got occurred. I don't know if you can see it, and it kind of makes me really mad because this has always been like a dream truck for me. She actually hit my truck on this corner right here, and it ended up, I guess from the impact of the lower bumper, it got my whole side of the bed on this side. It's got a big dent in it. But actually what I'm going to end up doing, going to end up getting a new bed, just getting a new bed and all. I found a couple people online on a forum that already have me kind of hooked up with a factory OEM rear bumper cover and bumper itself. I've got to find a bed for the truck, and I'm going to end up repainting the whole truck, which is good. When I got the truck, it was I forgot the exact color the guy told me it was, but it's like a black metallic. It has looks like a little bit of green tint to it. I don't know if you can see it in the pictures. Maybe in the sun you can, but... And I'm sorry, my truck's very dirty right now. I kind of got a little discouraged after it got into the accident, but anyway, you could see the color of it. So, as bummed as I am about it, I want my truck to go back the factory color, or at least something close to that, just like a solid black color, maybe like tuxedo black or something like that. So I guess for everything bad that happens, you can make something good out of it. And there's my truck like it is right now. Alright guys, well thank you for watching. Subscribe please. I'll post some more videos of this whole project as it happens. I think what I'm going to end up doing, I'm going to do all the work myself. I'm going to get a new bed for the truck, and then while I got the bed off, I'm going to go ahead and clean the frame up, repaint the frame and everything, and I don't know, do a couple extra things kind of while I got everything off and apart. But I'll be posting a couple more videos on that here in the near future. All right, thank you guys.